So let's learn how to convert the Py file into an exe. So we are going to use our notepad project that we have created in the project video. In that video I have created this notepad application, but I created it on the Jupyter notebook. So this is the Jupyter notebook on which I have created this application. Since Jupyter notebook has a IPYNB extension, so that will not work with this in this case. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to copy this code from here and I will create a new file. So let's open a notepad and then paste the code over here and save it on the desktop. And let me go ahead and create one folder on the desktop. So I'll just name this folder as notepad soft. And inside this I am going to save this file with the name main.py. If you already have a file with the .py extension, then you can just skip this step. Now what I am going to do, I will open my command prompt once again, and on the command prompt I am going to navigate to the directory, that is cd desktop, and cd inside desktop it was with the name notepad. Now I need to type PyInstaller, the name of the file. So name of the file is main.py. Click OK. Also let me open that file over here. So now the build has been completed, and you can see that we have a lot of folders created over here, like this one, and this one. So what we have to do, we have to go inside the dist folder, and inside the dist folder there is a main folder. Since the name of the file was main.py, that is why the name of this folder is main. Now inside that we can see a lot of files over here. So all these are the dependencies for this project, and over here we can see application written over here. So I can just click on this and this will run the application. Now you can also notice that there is a console coming with this application. So let me close once. Now let's open it once again. Again it is coming. So there is this thing. So every time we are doing anything, the results will be printed over there as well. If there is any error, it will be printed there as well. So what is the benefit of this thing? In case if you are running this application on a for the testing process, then you can go ahead and add the console, and so that if there is any kind of error, you can see that. If this portion, if console is hidden, then you won't be able to see what the error is coming or why the application is not working. So this is completely for the testing purpose, and do remove it before handling over it to the client. So this is how we have learned how to convert the Python file to an exe file. Now here you are seeing that there are a lot of files over here. In case if you want to convert it into a one file, then there is an option for that as well. So for that I will just remove all the files once again so that it looks as it was earlier. So I will just remove this, also this one. Now on the command prompt I will run the same command, but this time I am going to add a parameter which says one file, and that I have to add using double hyphen one file, this way. Now if I will run it, it will take some time and it will create same kind of folders over here. Now build has successfully completed. Now go back to the dist folder. Now here you can see that we have just one file over here, and if I will click on it, it will start my application. Okay. So with this we have learned how to convert the Python file to an executable with console. Next we are going to learn how to convert the Python file to an executable without console.